all have our own struggles. Just kayo, dalawa-dalawa yung trabaho. Yung iba, tatlo pa, just like Joy and Marie. And kami, we just see the surface of this, all the glitz and glamour. But some people, or I think most of the people, they don't know what's happening to us when we're all alone. It's a hard job. But I guess, if I could give any advice, it's to, like for me personally, the world has been my biggest classroom. And I feel like ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan at matututunan. My family or anyone who loves me cannot protect me all the time. So it's just important to
We love you, Kat!
You should learn from it. Kasi hindi naman ibibigay kung hindi natin kakayanan. So whatever it is you're going through right now, alam ko hindi naman biro yung buhay niyo po dito. And we have so much respect sa lahat sa inyo. Kailangan niyo magpadala family in the Philippines, kailangan mag-provide dito, kailangan ipadala sa school, and all these things. And just like what he said, faith lang eh. Kasi during our lowest, or during the darkest times sa buhay natin, sometimes hindi mo na alam kung sino yung lalapitan, and you just have to pray and you'll see. Ang galing talaga kung paano lang siguro niya tayo i-guide as long as we have our faith. And I think it's just important that we surround ourselves with the right people. Sometimes it can be our fellow Filipinos, or sometimes pwede din ibang lahi. But it's just important for me that you learn how to see the goodness in everybody. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao masama. And important siguro na bibigyan mo sila ng chance. And pag binigay mo yung trust na yun, nasa kanila na yun kung sisirain nila yun, or ikikeep mo sila sa buhay mo. You just have to give them that chance.